Hola, beautiful people. Hola. I'm sending out my text. I'm waking y'all up, telling y'all come to class. All right. So some of y'all gonna get these texts from me. They're saying I'm going on live. Hola, Yasel. What's up, Chris? What's up, Anthony? Mason, Mariah. Mariah, why you and Gabby, y'all always about to go to sleep as soon as I'm going live? Why y'all going to sleep as soon as I'm about to go live? What's up, Cesar? Natalie, Andrea. You always about to go to sleep, Mariah. How about you go to sleep early so you don't always got to be about to go to sleep during my class? All right. I typed in the I do problem. It's at the top, page 16, number 1. All right. Good, Benjamin. I'm glad you do your chores. Okay. I am good, A Marie. We have the baby in 2 days, so I'm good. I'm just ready to get on with it. All right. All right. Your mom will never let you sleep. Well, if you go to sleep when she sleep, then she'll let you sleep. Hola, Claudia. What's up, Bree? Said you already did page 16, number 1? Or am I on the wrong page? I'm sorry, page 15, number 1. Sorry. Page 15, number 1. Page 15, number 1. All right. That's the I do problem. Make sure you like the click the like button and everything. All right. All right. Well, give me about 2 more minutes, then we're gonna get started. All right. I'm texting all these people. Tell them wake up, come to class, virtual. All right. Um, Natalie, I already typed in what to do. All right. All right. It's only about 9 or 10 people on here. Where everybody at? Y'all skipping my class? All right. Where everybody at? Hola, ya Haida. Miss Lino. You know I can't pronounce your name. Anyway, it's important that y'all don't get lazy during this time. Because if we come back to school in May, y'all gonna be out of there because y'all acting lazy. All right. Don't be lazy. All right. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, just so y'all know, after we done with this live, I'm gonna post my trailer. I got a new trailer. I've been working on an intro to my YouTube channel. So I've been playing around with it. So after this is over with, you're gonna get a chance to see my trailer for my YouTube page. All right. All right, Benjamin say his phone is on 16% and he lost his charger. So let's get started. All right. All right. Today we're doing rounding decimals again. All right. So we're on page 15 today. All right. So if you have your book, Yes, Daniel, I did. I did a trailer for my YouTube channel. I'm gonna post it to my YouTube channel as soon as this live is over. All right, so y'all can stay on the page. I'm gonna post the trailer, and y'all let me know what you think. You can leave comments on it. All right. Yes, I mean intro. I did a trailer, intro for my YouTube channel. All right. So we're on page 15. Okay. All right. If you listen to me, we won't have no homework at all today. All right. So this is number one on page 15, talking about Camilla. All right. Camilla spent $16.37 on snacks and a movie ticket. If she rounds this amount to the nearest 10 cent, how much did Camilla spend? All right. Again, this is number one. All right. So, I have $16.37. That's the actual number, right? And I'm going to round that to the nearest 10 cent. Well, a cent is not a whole dollar, it's parts. So 10 cent means 10 parts. So that means the 10th place, which means I'm going to round this number to the 10th place. All right. So I'm going to write this number 16.37, and I'm going to round it to the 10th place. This is the decimal point. So that means this is the ones place, this is the 10 holes place, this is the 10th place, and this is the hundredths place. All right. Now, if I want to round it to the nearest 10 cent, then that means I want to round to the 10th place. All right. So I'm going to circle the 3 because it's in the 10th place. All right. Now, from here, I'm going to look at the spot behind it, which is the 7. And as I reminded you yesterday, you're going to use the rules of rounding on the underlying number behind it. Mr. T, what are the rules of rounding? The rules of rounding says if the underlying number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the circled number stays the same. If the underlying number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the underlying number goes up by 1. All right. Now, my circle number is 3. That's the spot I'm trying to round. Right. The 7 is going to tell the 3 what to do. Right. Now, there's only 2 answers in rounding. You're either staying the same at 16.3, which is B, or you're going up by 1 to 16.4, which is C. The only answers is either B or C. A is wrong because A is rounding to the nearest dollar. That's $16. And D is wrong because if this goes up by 1, it's going to go up to 4, not 5. So you know D is wrong. The only answer is stay the same at 3 or go up by 1 to 4. Those are the only 2 answers. All right. Now, the 7 is right here. So according to the 7, you should go up by 1, right? So what this means, this 3 should become a 4, and everything in front of it stays the same, and everything behind it is a 0, which means the answer is C. All right? Good. Everybody typing in, go up by 1, the answer is C. Good. Any questions about this first one? This is the I do problem. All right. Again, this is the I do. This is page 15, number 1. All right. Anybody have any questions about this one? All right. Daniel says no. All right. No. Michelle says no. All right. Daniel got the no sign. I like that no sign, Daniel. All right. So if there's no questions about this first one, then I'm gonna switch to the we do problem. Okay. The we do problem is still on page 15, but it's number 2. All right. Page 15, number 2 is the we do problem. All right. All right. So number 2, the we do problem. All right. It says if rounded to the nearest tenth, 47 and 98 thousandths would round to which of these numbers? 47.19, 47.1, 47.1 hundredths, and 46.9. Right? Now, the place value spot that it says is rounding to the nearest 10. Now, if you look at your answer choices, I automatically know A is wrong because A has 19 hundredths. I need to round to the nearest 10th, which means the 100th place should be a 0. B has tenths. C has hundredths, which in the hundredths place it should be a 0. And D has tenths, right? But if you look at D, it says 46.9. The number is 47.098. And I'm supposed to be rounding to the nearest tenth, which means I'm either staying at 47.0 or I'm going up to 47.1. There's no way that 46.9 could even be the answer. I don't even need to do any work. The answer is automatically B. And it's B because this 9 will tell that 0 to go up to 1, and everything in front of it stays the same. So the answer is B. But I didn't even have to do any work. Right? Good. I see a lot of you typed in B. Right? So with rounding, you need to remember that there's only really 2 possible answers. The spot stays the same based on the number behind it, or the spot goes up by 1 based on the number behind it. But either way it goes, you only have 2 answer choices. All right? Now, there will be no homework today because what I'm going to do is just finish the rest of the problem with you on live, unless you want homework. All right? There, everybody, thumbs up if you're okay with that. All right. So the rest of page 15 is your homework, but we're going to do it right now, okay? So independent practice is page 15. All right, so we're just going to do the rest of page 15. We've already did number 1, and this is number 2. So I'm going to do 3, 4, and 5, and you won't have any homework, okay? So give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and erase this one so we can do the next one, okay? All right. So number 3. Number 3 says, when rounded to the nearest hundred, which number equals 49.06? All right. So you got A, B, C, and D, right? You got A, which is 49.049. You got B, which is 49.052. You got C, which is 49.058. And you got D, which is 49.065. All right. Now it says which number is equal to 49.06. So the goal is 49.06 when you are rounding to the hundredths place. All right. So we're going to round each number to the hundredths place, and one of them is going to be 49.06. All right. Now, all of them have 49, 49, 49, right? So we can't get rid of them, right? Now, I can get rid of A if we're rounding to the hundredths place. And let me show you why. You can get rid of A because if you circle the hundred spot, you'll see. All right. I can get rid of A because in rounding, either this 4 is going to stay the same or it's going to go up by 1 to 5, but it's never going to get to that 6, right? So A is gone. All right. Now, B, the 5 can go up to 6. C, the 5 can go up to 6. And D, the 6 can stay the same. Right? So I got rid of A. Right? Now, if you round B, behind the 5, you have a 2. The 2 will tell the 5 to stay at 5. And then everything in front of it will be the same. So B is wrong. If you look at C, the 8 will tell the 5 to go up to 6, and everything in front of it will stay the same. So the answer is C. And if you look at D, this 5 will tell the 6 to go up to 7. And then everything will be the same in front of it. So this is 49.07, which makes D wrong. So the answer is C. All right. That's number 3. All right. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to erase and we're going to do number 4. Okay. So we're going to do number 4 and number 5. And that way you won't have any homework. All right. So 30 seconds, then I'm going to erase. Any questions about number 3? Daniel, I'm liking that no sign. I like it. You guys, give me a thumbs up if you happy that today you ain't taking the STAR test, because today is supposed to be the STAR test day. So give me a thumbs up if you happy to not be taking the STAR test. Dang, Mariah, how many thumbs up you gonna put on there? All right, all right. Let's do number 4 real quick. All right, number 4 says when rounded to the nearest hundred, Brian's batting average is 0.350. Which number could be Brian's actual batting average? All right. So again, you're gonna have 4 different numbers. You have A, B, C, and D. All right. The goal is to get to 0.350. And again, you're rounding to the 100. All right. Now, for A, you have 0.359. For B, you have 0.354. For C, you have 0.343. And for D, you have 0.329. All right. Now, oh, A. Marie said, "Are you happy that you are not at school?" Actually, I kind of miss being at school. I kind of want to be at school. Teaching on YouTube is pretty cool, but I actually wanted to be there. All right. Now, um, we're gonna do the same thing we just did the last problem. All right. The goal is to get 0.350 when you're rounding to the hundreds, which means you need the hundreds place to end up being a 5 because everything behind it is 0. Right? So if I go down the line and I circle the hundreds place, you'll see something. Right? That's a 5. That's a 5. That's a 4. And that's a 2. All right, that means D is wrong. Because remember, in rounding, there's only two answers. All right, good. Chris typed in D is out. That's good. In rounding, there's only two answers. The circle number stays the same or the circle number goes up by one, depending on what the number behind it tell it to do. All right. So D is out because this 9 is going to tell the 2 to go up to 3. It's going to be way too low. Remember, you can either stay the same at 5 or you can go from 4, go up by 1 to 5. Right? So D is gone. That's the first one that's gone. All right? Now, you just look at the other choices and you look at the number behind it. So this 9 is behind it. The 9 is going to tell the 5 to go up to 6. And then the 3 and the 0 are going to be in front of it, which means A is out. The 4 is going to tell this 5 to stay the same at 5. 3 is in front of it, and at 0, which means B is the answer. And C, the 3 is going to tell the 4 to stay the same at 4. So this is 0.34, which is why C is wrong. All right? Again, there's only two answer choices. The answer stays the same. The spot that you circle stays the same or it goes up by 1. All right? All right, that's number 4. Any questions about number 4? If not, I'm going to go ahead and erase and do number 5. Type in a 5 if you're ready to do number 5. All right, I see some 5s. All right. Dan, you going crazy with the no button, huh? Y'all going crazy with the no symbol, huh? All right, number 5. Last one. Ansley rode her bike 13 and 268 thousandths miles last week. If she rounds this distance to the nearest 100, how far did she ride her bike? All right. So the number is 13 and 268 thousandths, and you're going to round to the nearest 100. All right. Now, first thing we need to do is identify what number is in the hundreds place. Type in on the keyboard, type in what number is in the hundreds place. All right. Everybody saying the 6. I'm glad you still remember your place value spots. All right. Now, If the 6 is the number that I'm circling, then that means I should be underlining the 8 behind it, right? And again, I'm going to write the rules around it. The rules go for the underlying number. If the underlying number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then the circle number stays the same. If the underlying number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the circle number goes up by 1. All right? Now, the underlying number is 8, which means the circle number goes up by 1. That means the 6 goes up to 7. Everything in front of it stays the same. And you can either leave off what's behind it or it becomes a 0. So the answer is either 13.27 or 13.270. Either way it goes, the answer is C. All right. If you all good, type in a thumbs up. All good? All right. So you have done your independent practice for today. So there'll be no independent practice for today, okay? Let me ask you now, what do you guys want to learn tomorrow? Type in what you want to learn tomorrow, okay? And don't type in nothing either, okay? Andrea said about money. Okay. Like taxes and stuff like that, Andrea? Chris said dividing whole number. Gabby talking about food. Yes, Luis, you're late, but you can go back and rewatch it after it's over. It'll post to the page, so you can go back and watch it, Luis. All right. A lot of people saying money. 2 people saying nothing. You're gonna learn something, bro. All right, Miss Lena. Okay, everybody's saying money, so money it is. We're gonna go with money tomorrow. Okay. All right. So tomorrow's lesson is about money. Okay. Um. Again, for those of you who have just tuned in, we no homework today. No homework. We did all of page 15. All right. So I'd have to type that in for everybody who comes in and watches it late when it's not live anymore. I type in these notes so they can see. All right. So no homework. We did all of page 15. All right. Um, because we did it all together, you don't have to send me a picture of page 15. All right. Just make sure you have done it with me And then if we come back to school in May, then I'll just see it in the book. All right, so we good. All right. Hola, Valeria. No, you don't have to send you the picture. Not of page 15. You don't have to send the picture, okay? Austin is good. Austin is at daycare right now. He's good. He's probably having a fun time because not a lot of kids at daycare, so he's probably getting a lot of special attention. All right. And again, I will post my intro as soon as this live is over. I was playing with iMovie last night. All right. So I typed in, I will post my intro as soon as this live is over. Check it out and comment. All right. Now be positive. Don't be saying, oh, I don't like it, Mr. T, blah, blah, blah. It was just, I know a lot of y'all was saying, Mr. T, you need to do an intro. You need to do an intro. So I finally did one. It's kind of cool. I think it's okay. All right. So y'all comment on my intro. I'm gonna post it like 5 minutes after we done. Okay. And y'all let me know what y'all think. All right. Again, the baby is coming Thursday at 12 noon, which is why all right. Any other questions? Any other questions? I miss daycare too. I had to go get food, but I'm late. I will just rewatch it. Okay, you can rewatch it and make sure you do page 15 with us. All right. Luis, if you have missed any other pages besides today, then you need to go back and look at all the other lessons. Every lesson has page numbers with it. So go back and look at all the online lessons. All right. All right. Again, pray for us. Pray for us. The baby is coming Thursday. All right. Pray that my wife has a good delivery and everything. Okay. And I'll keep y'all posted. I just can't. I'm not gonna bring my laptop to the hospital. Because of the coronavirus, everybody can't come to the hospital. It's just gonna be me and my wife. That's it. Austin can't even come. So Austin's grandmother is gonna take care of him while we at the hospital. All right. So tomorrow I will teach you, and then Thursday we having a baby, so I won't be on live on Thursday. Okay. And Friday is Good Friday, so you off. So there's no school on Friday. So after tomorrow, I'll be back Monday. Okay. All right. I love y'all. And again, within like 5 minutes, look on the YouTube channel and you'll see my intro. All right. Love y'all. Peace.